Welcome to Envid Lab. Today we are going to learn about rhyming words. What are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have similar ending sounds. Let's learn a few rhyming pairs. Cat, bat, cat, bat. Coat, boat, coat, boat. Cap, tap, cap, tap. Pen, hen, pen, hen. Four, door, door. Bed, red, bed, red. Pin, bin, pin, bin. Box, fox, box, fox. Fan, man, fan, man. Ball, doll, ball, doll. Top, mop, top, mop. Chair, hair, chair, hair. Pot, dot, pot, dot. Jug, mug, jug, mug. Glad, mad, glad, mad. Snail, rail, snail, rail. Run, sun, run, sun. House, mouse, house, mouse. Bridge, fridge, bridge, fridge. King, ring, king, ring. Let's review the rhyming words once again. Cat, bat. Coat, boat. Cap, tap. Pen, hen. Four, door. Bed, red. Pin, bin. Box, fox. Fan, man. Ball, doll. Top, mop. Chair, hair. Pot, dot. Jug, mug. Glad, mad. Snail, rail. Run, sun. House, mouse. Bridge, fridge. King, ring. Thank you for watching.